Now I want to explain to you interchangeability. When we designed the system at Allscare, we came to the conclusion, wouldn't it be great if basically you could alter complete body parts that would allow you to change the standing configuration of your character, or enough of a body frame change that it would give the impression it was a complete different body. Well, that's exactly what we've done. I'll give you an example. We've taken, and say we had this particular character here, we used him 1 year for a great display, and we decided we wanted to do something different with him, but with a different leg structure involved. The first thing is, all we needed to do, since he had a bending waist mechanism here, that is to say this cylinder would allow him to lean forward and to stand back up, we take this bracket assembly and we leave this thing attached. We take the hinge off here, just 2 screws, take this mounting bracket for this off here, and we take that entire assembly, control box, all the cylinders, and we move that baby down to here. And we moved it down to this I-frame. And we took that first plate that was down on the lower cylinder bar and we put it down here. We took the hinge, we mounted it back here. We can actually, in our normal system, adjust where we mount that to create or change the pivot motion. But at this point now, locking those in, we've created a different character who has the ability to move forward and backward as though he were coming out of the ground. All we did was we picked up an I-frame. We didn't discard our old legs. We probably will use those for some other function or some other character at a later date. Furthering again the interchangeability, I would want to point your attention to this knee assembly. When we designed these crouching legs, we wanted it to look like the character was haunched, ready to attack. We did that on him, we did it on the Big Wolf. But one of the things we took into mind was to say, well, wait a minute, what if someday they didn't want that? With our system of knees here, you can merely take the bottom one out by loosening the bolts, and once you slid out the bottom member and rotated it 180 degrees, it would sit perfectly even with the other one, so that you can now again get this character to be straight-legged in standing. Another option or versatility with the same standard part. Another great example of our interchangeability is our friend sitting here. We offer the sitting leg assembly. Now what this does is it gives you the ability to take and have a character's legs assembled so that he is in a sitting position. Yet if you change it or wish to change it at a later date, all you need to do is to loosen this bracket here, swing that leg around to straight out, use that same bracket to reattach it. You now take that leg, the whole leg itself, pull it out of the bracket that's under here to hold it together, upright it directly under here, and now you have a standing character. You didn't purchase anything else. This is part of the, again, interchangeability of our system. Alright, we're going to show you an example here. This is one of the BodyFrame characters, and we're going to do a little bit of changing with him and show you how versatile this system is in terms of the personalities you can do with one single frame. Here, I'll show you what I mean.
Wait, what happened? Where's my face? These guys do this to me all the time. The Allscare BodyFrame System just makes it too quick and easy to swap out a head and a program and make me into an entirely new character.
Now I'm going to take that same exact character, we've changed the head on it, we're going to do it with a different voice track to again show the versatility of this thing. See what I mean?
Oh, that's more like it. This system is so easy. It's like a Christmas miracle.